everyone. Today, we are going to learn about Python virtual environments and how to use them in Visual Studio Code. Our session will cover three things. First, what a virtual environment is. Second, a quick project overview using a sample Python code. And third, a live demo to show how to run the virtual environment in VS Code. A virtual environment in Python helps us keep our project's packages separate from others. It creates a folder with its own Python and packages, so every project stays clean and conflict-free. First of all, then open a new terminal. Once the terminal is open, type the following command: Python mwenv located. Wenv. After running this command, close the terminal. You will now see a wenv folder created inside your sample code 1 folder. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open the command palette. Search for and select Python. Select Interpreter. Then click on Add Interpreter Path. Now locate and open the wenv folder. Inside wenv, open the scripts folder. In that folder, select the second last Python X file. Now again open the terminal. Once the terminal opens, you will now be inside your virtual environment. Now you can run your code inside this environment.